Let's say you want to create a rule that's triggered by date. This means your rule will activate on a specific date. For example, you want a portion of your salary to go into your savings on the 15th of every month. Once you select this option, a panel will open where you'll see the rule at the top, then trigger, condition, and action. But what does this mean? This is where you get to decide how, where, and when you want your money to go. Here you have a trigger schedule. This is when you want the action to be performed. It can be daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or a custom date. And then there's the condition. It asks how to perform the action. It asks if. If the answer is yes, the action will be performed. If the answer is no, the action won't be performed. This is completely optional, so you don't need to fill this out if you don't want to. But you do need to complete a rule with an action. An action establishes what's to be done with this connection between the income source and account. It can either be transferred as a fixed amount, percentage, or you can round down. For example, an action could be to transfer 50% of incoming funds into savings. So let's create a rule together. Based on the funds received from salary, if the balance of my salary is equal to $1,000, let's transfer 50% into my savings on the 1st of every month. But you can also continue to add more actions to this rule. For example, I want another 20% of the funds to go into my savings account and 10% into my rainy day fund. You can also add another account or add a limit, and then make sure you click save. After hitting save, it'll take you back to the map where you can see your connection. If you want to know the rule you made, you can hover over the connection or click on it to open the panel where you have the option to add a trigger by date.